Hey guys, Scott with Heritage Farms, Texas. Well, for starters, let me apologize for all of the wind noise. Really hate it, but it's just North Texas, springtime, and the wind blows all the time. Really frustrating. Hey, today I'm showing you the Aleko, A-L-E-K-O, wireless keypad for our COZ, C-O-Z, or SL600 gate opener. I'm not even sure what you call this thing. It's very generic. But one of the things, we're gonna set up this keypad, and I wanted to show you how to do that. So the first thing you do, you come in here, and there is a little button right there, a little black button that you press. The light comes on to let you know the remote's learning. It comes from the factory with the default setting of 1-1 left arrow, 1-1 left arrow. And you see the light flashes, which says it's now acknowledged. So now I should be able to go 1-1 left arrow, and it opens. 1-1 left arrow, it stops. 1-1 left arrow, it closes. So just that simple. So now let's say we wanted to set a new code. Well, the first thing you do is you hold the 0 and the left arrow, you let go of the left arrow and the 0, you hit the 1-1, and then you set the new code. Let's go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if that works. Wait for the light to go off. And we'll see if this thing picked it up. 1, 2, 3, left arrow. Uh-oh. 1-1 left. So it still has the old code in it. So we'll try this again. Kind of hard. 1 left, 0, 1-1, 1, 2, 3 left, 1, 2, 3 left. So let's see if this got it. Nope. Still got the old one. Well, we'll have to figure this out here. Let's try this. Okay, we're back again to try to figure this out. We're gonna see if we can do it. So we press the 0 and then the left key, let go of the left key and then the 0, 1-1 left key, because that was the default, 2, 3 left key, 1, 2, 3 left key. Now that should have it ready to go. So once again, we're gonna give it just a second here to clear its mind, let for the little red light to go off, then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, left key. Hey, we got it. 1, 2, 3, left key. 1, 2, 3, left key, and the gate closes. So that's how you program the Aleko. And I think it's a 150 model, but it works with the COZ or the SL160 gate opener. You can see the gate we have here. All right, guys. Hey, if you like what you see, hit the thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Talk to you soon. Thanks.